What is computer vision? One of the most powerful and compelling types of artificial intelligence is computer vision, which you have almost surely experienced in any number of ways without even knowing. Computer vision is the field that focuses on replicating parts of the complexity of the human vision system and enabling computers to identify and process objects in images and video in the same way that humans do. One of the driving forces behind the growth of computer vision is the amount of data we generate today. Along with a tremendous amount of visual data, more than 3 billion images are shared online every day. The computing power required to analyze the data is now accessible. As the field of computer vision has grown, the new hardware and algorithms, so has the accuracy rates for object identification. How does computer vision actually works? On a certain level, computer vision is all about pattern recognition. So one way is to train a computer how to understand visual data is to feed it images, lots of images, thousands, millions if possible, that have been labeled, and then subject those to various software techniques or algorithms that allow the computer to hunt down patterns in all elements that relate to those labels. So, for example, if you feed a computer a million images of a cat, it will subject them all to the algorithm that will let them to analyze the colors in the photo, the shapes, the distance between the shapes, where objects border each other, and so on, so that it identifies a profile of what a cat actually looks like and what it means. When it is finished, the computer will in theory be able to use its experience if paired with another unlabeled image to find the ones that are in the cat. What are the applications of computer vision? Computer vision is one of the areas in machine learning where core concepts are already being integrated into major products. Computer vision is used in the self-driving car, but it is not just tech companies that are leveraging machine learning for image application. Computer vision enables self-driving cars to make sense of their surroundings. The other application is the facial recognition system. Computer vision also plays an important role in facial recognition application, the technology that enables computer to match images of people faces to their identities. There are many more applications of computer vision, so you can explore it.